You would be from the tribe of Judah. Same consecration. I've been seeing things since I was 13 years old. I left and I ran and went to the military. Taking like the forward. You know, like Jonah and the whale story? Yeah. But it caught up with me in 1998 and it took me to hell in 2006. And in 2008, came back full force. He said, enough is enough. It was 2 o'clock at night. It was 17. Enough is enough. So, he said, enough is enough. I put the pillow over my head and I didn't want to hear what they had to say. So the Most High surrounded me. When I say the Most High, I'm talking about His Son. You cannot have access to the Son unless you go to the Father. Yeah. And so He says again, enough is enough. So in about 15 minutes, I was awakened from my sleep and I was transformed. Crown of my head to the sole of my feet, I was made new. And I was just sitting down into a building. I walked past the brown table that had white flowers on it. The heavens rolled back as a scroll as the Bible says. Well, she just go keep doing it. And he was so bright at this time I couldn't see him like frogs on. And he began to speak. He said, enough is enough. He kept repeating, enough is enough. That building had a window with it about 60 feet across. I could see people walking every day, so it wasn't days of no. Enough is enough. And that's when I looked up. He said Chicago would be the first to fall. And I saw a missile, and it obliterated Chicago. This is almost 10 years ago. Do you know what's happening in Chicago right now? You know, they call it Chirac. It's worse than Iraq. We are murdering each other, left and right. That's going to get it too. Well, that's the color. With Hebrews, that's part of the curses, though. In Deuteronomy 28th chapter, he said Chicago will be the first of all. Not only that, the first religious system that was set up here was in Chicago. Okay, the Bible is against a religion and it defines a religion. He said Chicago will be the first of all, and Jamestown, Virginia will be the last standing. You know what happened at Jamestown, Virginia? Everybody. Well, the first so-called colonies, pilgrims, they docked there. So we have a fraternal twin brother. Well, he said, first of all, he said this place will be up in smoke by 2019. And we have a fraternal twin brother walking around here. The Bible calls him bread. In Genesis, the 29th chapter. Story of Esau and Jacob. You heard that? So, who calls himself bread on this earthbound path? Rednecks, right? So-called European. That's our fraternal twin brother. So, what I'm saying is, this is going to be an insight. We're murdering each other in Chicago. Religion is established there. We're Hebrew. We do not have religion. We don't eat what we want. I'm not addressing it because I'm tired. You understand? My life was almost taken from me 2 weeks ago. Understand? So, the Most High sent me here to Columbus because this is the last place Christopher Columbus comes. You see how we work? So, what's your name? Janetta. Blessed are the readers and the hearers of the word. Chicago will be the first of all. Jamestown, Virginia, last standing. And I had a of ancient days. So when they called God, He came to me. The Son already revealed Himself. So the Father did. He said, guess what? I saved Noah. But you understand that only 8 people got on that boat. You understand what I'm saying? He said, I'm about to take Jerusalem home. We are the people. We are Jerusalem. And it was a woman there, and she said, well, Noah was saved on a boat when he was talking to me. And he said, no, Noah was saved through a piece of paper. The boat was his means of transportation out of there. It's the covenant He made with our forefathers, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. So we're about to go home. So you're right now to assume that stuff. When you look at Leviticus, the 11th chapter, they tell you they cannot put it in your body. Okay, and look up because you know what? I never really paid attention. You never heard? I bet you would. Sometimes he said, you know, the beginning of wisdom. Yes, Leviticus. Because you have to understand when Christ comes back here in Isaiah the 66th chapter, people are going to have a fork in their mouth and He's going to kill them right on the spot. I don't have my son. I'm about to see now. Yes, I have one. You have paper on you? I write down my information.
Yeah, because I will go home and read it.
Okay, Leviticus.
I like to read stuff for myself.
Right, all right. The Bible,
That's what you're supposed to do.
the Bible says study to show yourself approved.
No, stay right there.
Leviticus 11. Which other verse you need? You know the slave ship. You know what chapter that is?
No.
All right.
And I'll go home and read.
Because I got an app on my phone I can show you right now. Because he said, when 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there I am in the midst. So this is church, okay? So, and if you, your loved ones, use YouTube, you look up this church, you'll find me. And then you look up Chicago Prophecy, and there I am, okay?
Okay. All right.
And you look at these teachings.
Okay.
Look at these teachings, you get everything you know about the Bible.
Okay.
What you can eat, how we dress,